Fishing hack, bread ball bait. Trick, no bait, no problem. Here's an old school trick. Use a slice of white bread, tear off the crust, roll the soft part into a tight ball, squeeze it hard until it becomes a dense dough, wet your fingers and roll it again. This makes it sticky enough to stay on your hook. This trick works great for bluegill, tilapia, sunfish, even catfish if you ball it big enough. Now here's the bonus, add a drop of vanilla, garlic or even cheese spread. The scent spreads through the water, pulling in curious fish like a magnet. Cast it near shallow structure like lily pads or docks and just wait. Fish love bread because it mimics floating pellets they're used to eating in ponds. You don't need fancy lures or bait shops, just kitchen scraps and a bit of know-how. So next time you're stuck without bait, raid the pantry. Subscribe for more cheap, clever fishing hacks that actually work.